Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to convert the data on an Excel sheet to a table format. Here you see I have opened an Excel sheet with certain data and I want to convert this data into table format. So the process is quite easy. You first need to select the data you want to convert into table. For example, I select this much data and then I come to insert tab, and on the insert tab I click on the table or I press Control and T button simultaneously on my keyboard. If I do that, this pop-up window pops up and it contains the information that column A from first cell to column D up to 8 cells. If you consider this, I have selected eight eight rows. So this one is the eighth cell of column D. Therefore, they incorporate all the data. And if I want to change this and I want to write this 9, and I want to include this row as well, and I click OK. So that row has also been included into the table. And now I have converted the data into table form. There are a few things that you can do very easily being on the table tab. You see here table design tab has created, and I can check some of these options or uncheck them. For example, if I unchecked, see over here this the header will disappear. You see the header disappear from the column, and if I want to keep the header intact, I will check this header on. Similarly, total rows, if I click this, it will total the rows over here and add this column, this row total. There are 8 rows overall, so I uncheck this. I don't want to include that. And you can do too many, you can check or uncheck all these options as per your requirement. But there's another very important thing that you can do. You can play with the table, and that's the table style group. From the table style group, there are a lot of different options available. You can apply any one template to your table from the pre-existing templates. So you can use any template, like if I choose this one, so I have this table. And if you want to convert the table back to the sheet data, then first you need to come here and click on this and remove the color to leave this to unformatted, and then click on the convert to range, and this warning window pops up and you need to click yes, which asks, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? So click yes. And now if you look, now you are back from the table to the worksheet data. So this way you can convert a sheet into table or a portion of the sheet into table, and you can go back from table to the sheet data. At the end, if you haven't yet subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.